Let's write numbers name to practice our cursive writing. 1, spell 1, O-N-E, 1. Write 1, O-N-E, 1. Have you seen the temple? Big, huge elephants? Yes, one elephant. What does the elephant have? Long nose. You like elephants? One elephant. Shall we write O capital? Could. O N E, 1. One elephant. 2. Spell 2. T. W-O, 2. You like to have 2 pet dogs in your house? Yes, they're so cute, aren't they? 2 dogs. 2. T. W. O. 2. Now, let's write the T capital. T. W. O. 2. One elephant. 2 dogs. Lovely, isn't it? 3. Spell 3. T-H. R-E-E, 3. Would you like to have 3 pussycats in your house? 3 lovely little kittens running all about. Yes, aren't they cute? Spell 3. T-H. R-E-E, 3. T-H. R-E-E, 3. 3 kittens, yes? Let's write the T capital. T. H. R. E. E. 3. Next, number name. 4. Spell 4. F. O. U. R. 4. You like to have 4 colored balls to play? Yes, 4 balls. Yes, could. F. O. U. R. 4. F. O. U. R. 4. Let's write the F capital. F. O. U. R. 4. 4 balls. So what did we write? 1 elephant, 2 dogs, 3 kittens, 4 balls. Now you know the spelling? You know how to write? Could. Let's take another set of number names to practice our cursive writing. What's the next number we are going to write? 5. Spell 5. F-I-V-E, 5. What would you like to eat? Oranges. Good. 5 oranges. Choose your oranges. Let's write F. I. V. E. 5. 5 oranges. Let's write F capital. F. I. V. E. 5 oranges. What's the next number? 6. Spell 6. S. I. X. 6. What do we like to eat? 6. 6 pears. Yes. 6 lovely crunchy pears. Spell 6. S. I. X. 6. Let's write S capital. S. I. X. 6. 6 pears. Next number? 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. 7 apples. Good. 7 apples. S E V E N. 7 apples. Yes. Let's write S capital. S E V E N. 7. What's the next number? 8. Spell 8. E I G H T. 8. Let's write 8. What's 8? Let's say 8 cherries. Good. 8. E I G H T. 8. Let's write E capital. E I G H T. 8. Now, here you have 5. F-I-V-E, 5. 5 oranges. S-I-X, 6. 6 pears. 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. 7 apples. E-I-G-H-T, 8. 8 cherries. Good. Let's write the next set of number name to practice our handwriting. Okay, the next number is 9. Spell 9. N-I-N-E, 9. Let us say 9 colorful balloons. Let's write N I N E, 9. 9 balloons. Let's write N capital. N I N E, 9. And the next number name 10. T-E-N, 10. 10. What 10 can we write? 10 leaves. Good. Let's write T A N, 10. 10 leaves. Let's write the T capital. T E N, 10. Next number name 11. E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. 11 flowers. 11 flowers. E-L-E-V-E-N, 11 flowers. Let's write the E capital. E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. Next number 12. Spell 12. T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. T W E L V E, 12. 12 crayons. Yes. Let's write the T capital. T W E L V E, 12. Let's look at the number names. 9. N-I-N-E, 9. 10. T-E-N, 10. 11. E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. And 12. T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. Let's take another set of number names to practice our cursive writing. Our next number is 13. Spell 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N, 13. Let's say there are 13 Triangles. You like tiny triangles? Yes. Let's write T H I R T E E N 13. Let's write the T capital. T H I R T E E N 13. What's the next number name? 14. Spell F O U R T E E N 14. Let's say 14 circles. Yes. F O U R T E E N 14. Let's write the F capital. F O U R T E E N 14. Good. What's the next number name? 15. Spell F I F T E E N 15. What shall we draw here? 15 squares. Yes, 15. Let's write F I F T E E N 15. Let's write F capital. F I F T E E N 15. Next, what's the next number name? 16. Spell 16. S I X T E E N 16. 16 rectangle. Let's write 16. 16 rectangles. Spell 16. S I X T E E N 16. Let's write S capital. S I X T E E N 16. Look at the set of number name 13. THIRTEEN 13. 14. FOURTEEN 14. 15. FIFTEEN 15. 16. SIXTEEN 16. Let's take another set of number names to practice our cursive writing. What's the next number? 17. Let's spell SEVENTEEN 17. 17 what? 17 ice cream. Love to eat ice creams? Yes. Let's write S E V E N T E E N 17. Let's write S capital S E V E N T E E N 17. The next number name 18. E I G H T E E N 18. 18. What 18 can we draw? 18 tomatoes. You like tomatoes? Spell 18. E I G H T E E N 18. Let's write E capital. E I G H T E E N 18. Next 19. Let's spell 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N 19. 19 flowers. 19. N I N E T E E N 19. Let's write N capital. N I N E T E E N 19. What's the next number? 20. Spell 20. T W E N T Y 20. 20 chocolates. You love to eat curd. 20. T W E N T Y 20. Let's write T capital. T W E N T Y 20. Let's look at the cursive writing we have done on number name. 17. S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N 17. 18. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N 18. 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N 19. 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20.